They know my story.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well today. I will be doing the BOHOLOCS for my clients, and we're going to be doing different color. I mean, BOHOLOCS and butterfly locks are kind of similar, so probably the same technique and stuff, but sometimes it's even hard to tell the difference. So please avoid asking me questions like that, because I really don't know. Sometimes I just do what my clients choose from my page and stuff like that, and I just go with the flow like that. So as you can see, the back of my client's hair is kind of short. Normally I would just braid my client's braids like that, but since the back is kind of short, it's hard for me to make the parts. And now I'm thinking, okay, I would have to attach some extensions so that the back, it's not going to be so fragile, since I have to still use the crochet hook to insert the wrapping hair, the sprinkles hair. So I would have to use not a different hair, but like I'll have to use just a little bit of sprinkles hair to braid my client's hair, just so that the hair can hold. As you can see, I'm taking one piece. I'm going to just take a little bit so that you don't, client's hair is in here. You want to take a little bit, and then you're going to use it to braid your client's hair. I feel like I was trying to braid it like that, it didn't work, so now I'm going to divide it into two and just cross it over and then braid that. So I use color 27, color 613, as well as color 1B for my client. And I think I used about 3 packs of color 1B, did not really finish it. 2 packs of the 613, finished that one, I think. Maybe have like a couple left. And then about 2 packs of the color 27, which I definitely did finish. And I think we had about I would say 47 counts of locks in total. My client wanted a free part, like just flip it over, but then I gave her a middle part and a free part so that she has a lot of options. So I did that for a couple of more side over here, because of those parts were kind of short. So those parts were kind of short, so I did that for some side at the back and the side, and also the front of her head as well. So right now I'm just going ahead to count her braids or her locks before we start wrapping. So to start wrapping, I used about 2 for one of them. You can use about two strands and then 2 strands to continue. And sometimes when you get to the top, you might just use about 12, like in the middle. You might use about another strand, like 1 strand to continue, because you want the back or the top to kind of match the bottom. So you kind of just have to add more. But the first 3 rows, I only used about sometimes 3.5 hair in strands of hair in total, and some of them I used about 4, and some of them 4.5. Just depends on what side of the hair and the length also. So right now I already did the first 2, the black and the 27, and now I'm going to be showing you guys how I do the 613. And also please watch carefully, because again, when your client has dark roots here, something like that, you want to try to sorry guys, there was like a knot over there, but you want to try to make sure that you're wrapping very, very closely, so that your client's black hair is not showing, especially when you guys using different braiding hair compared to your client's hair itself. Right now it looks easy because I use the 613 hair to braid my client's hair first, and then I'm wrapping over. But as you go in the video, you will see me wrapping my client's darker hair with the 613, and then you can try to wrap closely and take out a lot more, so that you're covering that area and it's like fluffy and it's just nice and gives like this nice boho or like butterfly look. And then when I was done with this hairstyle, with my client's hair, I did not dip this in hot water. I only used the hot towel as usual to massage my client's hair. And and I do have the hair link as well in my description box. And then when I was done with this style, I also took out the leftover piece and wrapped it all the way up. So for this style, I don't have to use my scissors for anything. I don't have to use my lighter for anything, because of any piece that was left will be wrapped back up, and that is the only way I seal the ends for this type of my clients. And let me know if you have any questions, but till then I'll be seeing you guys in my next video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me ya, say she give me pon me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my whining, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, say me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Original.
Just say no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
Original Batman. Body nice. See I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man I tell her me she go low. Bad man I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
no, 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 no. Just say yeah,
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So do me, you're number one I control. So you really, really meant for the girls, may they come true. Come true. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let my come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
No, 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 no. She say yeah,
Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Original bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the
It's
vibe.
fake kills.
Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sippin' on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sippin' on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feelin' on the nigga, say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me yard, say she give me pon me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, say me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the